Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating Windows and Defender definitions so scans detect the latest threats. This is why you must connect to the internet. Once done, restart into safe mode with networking if normal mode is blocked. This limits malicious processes. Then run a full Microsoft Defender offline scan. It boots a clean environment and can remove entrenched threats. Make sure to let the scan finish without interruption and note any flagged items for the next removal stage. Once Defender reports quarantined or deleted items, you should document file names and paths so you can verify removal later. This helps if remnants remain. Next, run a second opinion scanner like Malwarebytes to catch what a single engine missed and compare results. Then inspect Task Manager and auto runs for suspicious startup entries and scheduled tasks. Disable or remove anything unrecognized. Make sure to reboot after cleaning and rescan to confirm the threat is gone. To finish, reset web browsers, clear temporary files, and run sfc/scano to repair system files. This prevents corrupted files from reactivating malware. If you find critical files in quarantine that are safe, restore them carefully, but only after thorough scanning. Once done, perform one final full system scan and monitor behavior for 24-48 hours. If the infection persists or system instability continues, use System Restore or Recovery Media to roll back or reinstall Windows. This is the reliable fallback if other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.